If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
When utilizing every space of your garden, if done correctly, you can get a bonus harvest. What we have here is sweet meat pumpkins, and we planted them in our excess leftover compost pile when we had soil brought in from our raised beds. Now they didn't get full sized, but they are decent size. We're getting cold, frost is coming, and they'll make good, a good little meal. These are typically, 10, 15, 20 pounds, but sweet meat pumpkins, I'm just going to harvest them. That one's probably a pound. This one, maybe 2 pounds. Bake them up, and you got a nice little soup there. They're very thick wall, orange flesh inside, and they're a great, tasty pumpkin if you're looking for something to grow.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.